In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your logo on Squarespace. Now, updating your logo might seem like a small change, but it's actually a very powerful way to refresh your brand's online presence. So whether you're rebranding or just starting out, I'll guide you through every step to make sure your new logo fits perfectly on your site. First things first, let's navigate to Squarespace. Simply type squarespace.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to log in the top right corner. Click on Login to proceed. If you have a Google account associated with your Squarespace site, which many of us do for convenience, select Continue with Google. This method makes it easy to manage your login credentials across different services. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Click on the relevant account and you're in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you'll need to go to the specific website you want to update. If you have multiple sites under one account, make sure you select the correct one. You can usually find your site listed under your account or by visiting the URL directly if you know it. After accessing your website, look for the Edit option. This might be represented by an icon resembling a pencil or simply the word Edit somewhere on your dashboard. This is your gateway to making changes to your site, including updating your logo. Upon entering the edit mode, you'll want to navigate to the Edit Site Header section. The site header is where your logo will live, along with other key elements like your navigation menu and contact information. It's essentially the face of your website, so we want to make sure your logo is prominently and properly displayed here. Next, find the Site Title and Logo section. This is specifically dedicated to managing how your brand name and logo appear at the top of your site. Clicking here will open the options related to your site's branding. Look for the pencil icon or any indication of an edit option beside your current logo or site title. This is where you can make changes or upload a new logo. Clicking this pencil icon will bring up a new menu or window where you can add or change your logo. Now it's time to upload your new logo. Click on Add Logo or something to that effect. This will allow you to browse your computer for the logo file you want to upload. Make sure you have your logo ready in a supported file format and that it's sized appropriately for your website. Once you've selected the file from your computer, it will upload automatically. Finally, the most crucial step, saving your changes. After uploading your new logo, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes to your site. This might be located at the top or bottom of the window or panel you're working in. It's essential to save, or else all your hard work will be lost. And that's it, you've successfully updated your logo on Squarespace. Take a moment to view your site and see how the new logo looks live. Remember, your logo is a significant part of your brand identity, so it's worth taking the time to ensure it's displayed correctly on your site. Thank you for following along this tutorial. Keep experimenting and exploring all the customization options Squarespace offers to make your website truly yours.